Hey, it's Dr. Josh. Now that you're a proud owner of a SmartMirror system, let's go over some basic maintenance for proper care of your SmartMirror. We'll start with the SmartMirror Head. It's autoclavable, but it's important to follow these instructions to maintain the optimal performance of SmartMirror. You'll want to fully insert the cap into SmartMirror before any cleaning or sterilization. Prior to doing so, visually inspect the O-rings to make sure that they're intact, and apply a light layer of lubricant, which is enclosed. Fully insert, and we recommend autoclaving at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. It's important to never immerse SmartMirror into an ultrasonic bath. Next, we have the SmartMirror streamer. The streamer is not autoclavable and should never be immersed in any liquid. Wipe down with any disinfectant wipe, but be sure not to wipe down the USB connector. Also enclosed in the SmartMirror box is a quick user's guide and some warning labels, one for the SmartMirror Head and one for the SmartMirror streamer. I'd recommend to post them in your sterilization area to remind your staff the proper cleaning and sterilization methods for SmartMirror. Like any other instrument in your office, if you take care of SmartMirror, it's going to work great. For SmartMirror, I'm Dr. Josh. Have a beautiful day in your office.